Hi everyone, this is Smita and today we are going to study another important topic which is light decoration. Light is as important as flowers are, as linen are. Decoration is incomplete without the proper light effects or light decoration. Lights are efficient enough to elevate any ordinary venue to extraordinary venue. There are different types of lights available. The different types of lights they have the power to create different kind of ambience in a venue. So first one is bright and regular lights. Why these are regular lights? Because to use bright light is very important to light up the venue. If it's an outdoor venue, it's an evening event, then obviously we need to light up the venue. वहाँ पे रोशनी करना है, वहाँ पे brightness करना है. For that purpose, we need to put bright lights there. For example, halogen. Halogen is most important light. अगर हमें वेन्यू को अच्छा सा लाइटिंग करनी है तो हेलोजन इज मस्ट फॉर इट. और ये हेलोजन हम कैसे लगाते हैं? जो भी हमारा ट्रस है, बेस खड़ा हुआ है, उसमें भी हम इंस्टॉल करते हैं. और वी कैन यूज सेपरेट पोल्स और स्टैंड टू इंस्टॉल द हेलोजन. और समटाइम्स वी टाई द हेलोजन्स विद ट्री ऑल्सो. Power lights we use to focus the areas where we did decor. जो भी आपके डेकोरेटिव एरियाज हैं, सपोज अगर हमने गेट बनाया हुआ है, स्टेज है, वेदी है, we use the power lights on floor facing the decoration. Then string lights. String lights is a modern way to use the bulbs. जो भी bulbs आते हैं आपके, उनको हम string के साथ we can hang these lights anywhere on passage, on trees, and we can create a beautiful backdrop with these lights. इसको हम ये फोटो बूथ पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं. We can use it in different ways. We can club these lights with the flower hangings also. It looks very beautiful. You can see here. Then chandeliers. If we want to give our venue a royal feel, we should use chandeliers there. Chandelier से भी बहुत लाइट हो जाती है and it looks very beautiful. We can use it anywhere on passage, on entrance, on stage, or we can use above dining also. See the pictures? Here we use chandeliers. Then next is modern or low lights. Modern or low lights. Low lights means dim light, dull light. If we want to give a dark ambience to the decor, suppose if it's a cocktail evening, if it's a sangeet night, then we should use these dark lights like LED power lights. LED power lights, the function of LED power light is same what we discussed here with power lights. These are the lights which comes in different colors. We can use it as a green color, blue color, pink color. It comes in variety of colors. Then fairy lights. Fairy lights are the regular lights. सबने ही देखा होगा. We use it in दिवाली. अपने घर का डेकोरेशन करने के लिए हम दिवाली में यूज करते हैं, वेडिंग्स में यूज करते हैं. We used to decorate trees and plants with fairy lights. Nowadays we are using fairy lights in different ways. In lounges or as a backdrop on a stage. This is a cheap and best lights we use. Then lamps. Lamps, we can use paper lamps as hanging on trees. We can use lamps on center table, coffee table or table consoles. Then candles. The decoration is incomplete nowadays without candles. कैंडल्स हम लोग आजकल हर डेकोर में यूज कर रहे हैं. वी आर यूजिंग इट ऑन राउंड टेबल्स विद फ्लावर सेंटर पीसेस. उसके साथ कैंडल्स यूज कर रहे हैं. वी कैन यूज द कैंडल वॉल्स. वी कैन यूज इट ऑन पैसेज, ऑन स्टेज, ऑन फ्लोर, ऑन स्टेयर्स. एनीवेयर और एवरीवेयर वी कैन यूज द कैंडल्स. बट डू रिमेंबर वेयर वी हैव टू यूज रियल कैंडल्स एंड वेयर वी हैव टू यूज LED कैंडल्स. वी कैन नॉट यूज रियल कैंडल्स एवरीवेयर. As I discussed earlier also, in 5-star hotels or in indoor venue, we are not allowed to put real candles. In that case, we have to use LED candles. LED कैंडल्स भी आजकल बहुत नेचुरल आ रही है, बहुत ही अच्छी है, सुंदर आ रही है, तो वी कैन यूज इट इन डिफरेंट वेज टू गिव अ ब्यूटीफुल एम्बियंस. देन लास्ट इज लाइट्स फॉर इफेक्ट्स. लाइट्स फॉर इफेक्ट्स, जिनसे कि हम मल्टीपल इफेक्ट्स दे सकते हैं वेन्यू में. दीज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज डांस फ्लोर लाइट्स, डीजे लाइट्स. ये बेसिकली हम लोग यूज करते हैं एंटरटेनमेंट स्टेज में या फिर डीजे में. These are spotlight. Spotlight, if we want to spot a particular thing, if we want to light up a particular thing, suppose if it's a cake cutting ceremony, then and we want to focus the cake table and a couple only, then we can use spotlight, moving head, sharpie, beam lights. These all lights we are using on dancing floor, DJ floor and entertainment stage. Cold pyros. Cold pyro is a kind of firework which is not hot, which is not warm, or you can say it's harmless. We can use it in indoor venue also. See the picture, we are using cold pyros like this. We can use it on entrance, on on bride, on couple entry, to give effects on stage during Varmala. We can use cold pyros like this. And fireworks. The regular firework we are using in with procession band, we are using in outdoor open venue at the time of Jaimala, after Jaimala, for giving the effects. So these all are the lights we are using, and it's all about the lights. And we should have a good vendor with us who keep all these lights, क्योंकि आप जब अपना स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, आपका अपना होते हुए टाइम लगेगा सारी चीजें, तो you should tie up with some vendor जिसके पास सारी lights हो. If you have any questions, any query related to any module, please mail me at smita@wedlock services. Or if you want us to send you the complete study material, or if you would like to appear in exams which we conduct every year and you want to get a certificate from us, please mail me at smita@wedlockservices.com. You can also get an opportunity to work with us in our events and our weddings. Please mail me, we'll share the complete details with you. Thank you.